There is an incredibly simple natural mixture that can help fade dark spots, freckles, and age spots right at home. Yet many people still overlook it. I remember a lady in her 60s once told me that when she looked in the mirror and saw dark patches spreading across her cheeks, she felt so sad. She had spent quite a bit of money on cosmetics, but they only brightened her skin for a short while before everything went back to the same. Until one day, she happened to read a medical document stating that potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which helps inhibit melanin. Fresh milk contains lactic acid that brightens the skin, and oats help soothe and nourish the skin. She decided to try it, stayed consistent for a few months, and the unexpected happened. Her skin became smoother, brighter, dark spots faded significantly, and she felt like she had regained her youthful days. Right finger, and today, I want to share this wonderful recipe with you. Not only that, but this video also includes a special part, a formula to nourish the body from within. Because according to science, skin is truly beautiful and long-lasting only when it's cared for both inside and out. When you know how to combine both, the effect will double. The skin becomes brighter, healthier, and full of vitality. Before diving into the details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the latest videos from Live Well every day. Here, every video is filled with simple, easy-to-follow tips to help you take care of your health and beauty naturally and safely. No complications, no big costs. If you've ever tried this formula, or still have questions about how to apply it effectively, please leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer and accompany you, step by step, on this journey to lasting health and beauty. Green Heart wishing you good health, peace of mind, youthfulness, and happiness with your family. Because to me, as long as you are healthy, that's already the greatest joy. Now, let's begin. Dear friends, to create a mask that helps fade pigmentation, freckles, and dark spots, we only need 3 very familiar ingredients found in every kitchen. And the very first ingredient is potato, a root vegetable that may seem ordinary, but inside it holds countless precious nutrients for the skin. You just need to prepare 1 boiled potato. Firm, fresh, and not sprouted. Potatoes contain a high amount of vitamin C, a nutrient well known for inhibiting the formation of melanin, the pigment responsible for pigmentation, dark spots, and freckles on the skin. Moreover, vitamin C directly participates in the production of collagen, an essential protein that keeps the skin plump, elastic, and helps reduce wrinkles. Besides vitamin C, potatoes are also rich in vitamin B6, which nourishes skin cells, boosts regeneration, and strengthens the skin from within. Along with that are natural antioxidants such as carotenoids and polyphenols, acting like a shield that protects the skin against free radicals, slowing down aging, and reducing the appearance of premature wrinkles. According to medical documents, potato juice can also soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and tighten pores, thanks to its starch content. When applied to the skin, potatoes form a natural moisturizing layer, leaving the skin soft and smooth. That's why potatoes don't just brighten the skin but also help fade dark spots, pigmentation, age spots, and reduce dryness and dullness. It can be said that with just 1 boiled potato, you already have in your hands a golden ingredient to start a natural, safe, and effective skincare mask formula. And once we have the potato, the next ingredient we need to prepare is glass of milk, unsweetened fresh milk, only about 3 small spoons. But it holds plenty of skin benefits. Unsweetened fresh milk contains protein, vitamin D, calcium, and especially lactic acid, a very mild natural acid often referred to as a natural AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. Lactic acid works to gently remove old dead cells from the skin's surface, making the skin fresh, smooth, and more even-toned without causing strong irritation. This is exactly why unsweetened fresh milk has been used in many beauty formulas for generations. Not only that, But the proteins and fats in milk act as a moisturizing layer, keeping the skin soft and helping to prevent dryness and flaking. In particular, vitamin D in milk helps stimulate the regeneration of skin cells, supporting faster recovery and slowing down the aging process. Another interesting point found in dermatology studies is that fresh milk can soothe irritated, red skin and also brighten the complexion by regulating melanin production. That's why when combined with potatoes, we can maximize the skin brightening effect of vitamin C from potatoes and the natural cleansing and moisturizing benefits of milk. Right finger, this is why I often call unsweetened fresh milk a perfect binder, helping potatoes and oats work together at their best, creating a skin nourishing mask that is soft, radiant, and absolutely safe. And to complete the formula, you just need to add rice plant 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats. Oats have long been considered one of the safest and most skin-friendly beauty ingredients. They contain a large amount of beta-glucan, a natural compound that forms a thin moisture-retaining film on the skin's surface, keeping it soft, smooth, and hydrated. Not only that, but oats are also rich in natural saponins, a gentle cleansing agent that can draw out dirt, excess oil, and impurities without stripping away the skin's natural moisture. This helps unclog pores, keep the skin clean, and reduce the risk of breakouts. In addition, many dermatology studies have shown that oats have the ability to soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, itching, and redness. This is especially beneficial for those with sensitive skin or people prone to irritation from chemical-based cosmetics. Right finger, when these 3 ingredients come together, potatoes rich in vitamin C, fresh milk with gentle lactic acid, and oats with soothing and moisturizing properties, they not only complement but also enhance each other, creating a completely natural mask formula. Vitamin C in potatoes helps inhibit melanin production, fade pigmentation, freckles, and dark spots, while also stimulating collagen production, keeping the skin plump and elastic. Fresh milk with lactic acid gently removes dead cells, cleans the skin surface, and allows nutrients from potatoes and oats to absorb more deeply. Meanwhile, oats act as a protective layer, locking in moisture, soothing the skin, and reducing inflammation, leaving the skin not only bright and smooth but also healthier and softer from within. The special thing is that this formula is safe for many skin types, even sensitive ones, because it doesn't contain harsh chemicals or cause irritation like some industrial cosmetic products. Simple as it may seem, if used consistently, the results it brings can surprise many people. Right finger, this can be considered a small, easy-to-apply secret that is both affordable and science-backed, a true way of natural beauty care. And right now, I'll guide you step by step on how to make this formula so you can try it immediately at home. You see, with just a few very simple steps, we already have a natural beauty formula right at home. After boiling the potato, mash it well until smooth. Then mix it with oat powder. Oats not only make the mixture creamier but also help absorb excess oil and dirt, keeping the skin clearer. Next, add a few spoons of unsweetened fresh milk. Stir it evenly, and you'll have a smooth, easy to apply, and most importantly, completely natural mask mixture. When applying this mask, it's best to wash your face first with warm water. This small step may seem simple, but it's actually very important because warm water helps open the pores, allowing nutrients to penetrate deeper. After that, spread the mixture evenly across your face, feeling the potato, milk, and oats gently embracing your skin and nourishing each cell. On areas with more wrinkles or dark spots, apply a thicker layer as if giving your skin an extra boost of care. About 15 to 20 minutes is enough for the nutrients to fully absorb. At that point, rinse off with cool water to cleanse the skin, tighten pores, and make the skin feel firmer and smoother. If you consistently use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, I am confident that in just a short time, your skin will start to transform, brighter, softer, and with noticeably reduced wrinkles. dark spots, and freckles. Of course, there are a few reminders I always emphasize. This mixture should only be made fresh for the day and not kept overnight, since the nutrients can lose their effectiveness. For those with sensitive skin, I recommend testing it on a small area first for reassurance. And most importantly, never forget, external skincare is only half the story. For skin to truly stay healthy and beautiful, the body must also be nourished from within. Eating well, sleeping enough, drinking plenty of water, and keeping a positive mind, these are the true foundations for lasting beauty. I share this not just as a recipe, but as heartfelt advice. Beauty doesn't come from expensive products, but from patience, self-love, and small daily habits. And you know what? While external care is important, nourishing from within is even more crucial. Skin can only truly stay healthy when the body is supplied with enough nutrients, detoxified, and kept in balance. That's why, besides the mask recipe I just shared, I also want to reveal another little secret for deep skincare: a drink made with potato, unsweetened milk, and oats. The method is very simple. Just boil a small potato, mash it smoothly, then mix it with 2 tablespoons of cooked oat powder. Add a cup of warm unsweetened milk and stir well. This drink is easy to make, tasty, and nutritious. Potatoes contain resistant starch, which supports digestion and helps detoxify the body. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which cleanses the intestines and keeps the digestive system healthy, and when digestion works well, the skin also becomes clearer and smoother. Unsweetened milk provides protein and calcium, good for the bones while helping balance nutrients in the body. When combined, these 3 create a drink that not only nourishes health from within but also helps the skin stay rosy, firm, and youthful for longer. The key message is this: skincare should not rely only on expensive creams, but on familiar, natural ingredients like these. A sustainable solution. When the inside is healthy, the outside will naturally glow. And with consistency, in just a short while, you won't just look younger in the mirror but also feel healthier and more energetic in your daily life. I remember one of my regular clients, now in her 50s, once complained to me about worsening pigmentation and deepening wrinkles. She had spent a lot on luxury cosmetics, but the results never lasted long. When I introduced her to the potato, milk, and oat formula, applying it externally while also drinking it regularly, she stayed consistent for several months. The results surprised her. Her skin became visibly brighter, dark spots faded, and most importantly, she felt healthier and slept better. She smiled and said, "I always thought beauty had to be complicated, but it turns out simple works even better." That story is exactly what I want to share with you today. Skincare doesn't need to be complicated. With patience and by combining both external care and internal nourishment, you'll see your skin transform day by day, brighter, stronger, and more youthful. Right finger if you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave your comments below so we can continue to share and accompany each other for a long time. Green heart, I wish you all plenty of health, happiness, peace, and always a youthful spirit. To me, as long as you're healthy, that is already the most precious gift. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.